Hi, this is John. John is running a small online shop with exotic goods. But he has a problem. He is tired of having a lot of troubles and a lack of money. Fortunately, one day he found a solution. The company. These guys are specialists on websites, social media, and marketing. And guess what? They've helped John. Now, when he has all the important tools and knowledge, everything is turning out well. Now he has a lot of money and no troubles. Do you want to grow your business as well? Take a look at our website or Facebook and find out how we can help you. This is the story of Bill and Katie, who are the best friends. Last year, Bill was working in a big company, but he wasn't very happy with his boss. And Katie, she was really bored with working as a waitress. She had to take a long way to work. Fortunately, they met George, who is a professional freelancer. He told them they can earn more money in less time and get the coolest features and improvements. Besides, they are very happy. Now let me tell you that Bill is going to a pleasure trip. And Katie, well, she's enjoying her spare time. Thanks to George, they can do anything. So why don't you?
Meet Sam. He has a great business plan, but struggles to get noticed. His products and services are top-notch, but he can't seem to connect with potential customers. As a result, he has little revenue and a huge inventory that's piling up. But then, he found us, and we are eager to help. We start with the website. The first thing we do is analyze content, features, and functionality needed to engage a user while removing any excess. Always implementing responsive design that adapts with today's mobile devices. Another important step is search engine optimization, or SEO. This process uses keyword research and site analysis to move a site up to the top of the search engine results. Without this process, a company may never be found by potential customers. To gain more traffic, we suggest using social media sites to boost a company's online awareness. Many companies are connecting with new clientele that would have been unreachable through traditional marketing approaches. These services are key to meeting a client's online marketing goals. Here is some of the work we've done for our clients. This is when we got started and how we've grown over the years. You can find us here. Our clients have been outspoken about us, and we love that. So now that Sam has implemented these strategies, he has all the business he can handle. His clients are happy. He is happy. And so are we. Check out our site, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Thanks for watching.
Nowadays, having a full-time IT guy is very expensive. And not talking about the whole department, the costs go up and up and up. And what if you need one programmer just occasionally? It's even more expensive. Have you ever tried outsourcing? That is what we are here for. We developers are here for you. We are reliable, we deliver in time, and we are available anytime. Did you know that 57% of agencies are outsourcing developers? So why you should outsource too? First of all, it's much more effective. The process is faster, and the IT costs are lower, and you can finally focus on what you really need. With us, you have guaranteed quality and service level of the projects we deliver. What can be outsourced in general? Basically anything, from cooking to design and development. So what can we do? Nearly anything from simple things to complex projects. And what our clients say? They are happy. We have successfully delivered many projects to our clients already. So, do you need to get things done? Contact us. We are ready to start working.
Let me tell you the story about Mr. Clearly. Mr. Clearly is very alarmed and unhappy. His business is not going so well these days, and he was looking for some professional help to increase his business. It was getting worse and worse with each day. He felt so alone and powerless. Until he found this amazing and reliable company. Clearly by name, Clearly he sees. They had the solutions he needed. And the best thing was, the solutions were so easy. Mr. Clearly thought, why on earth didn't I find these guys earlier? Now, let's have a look at what they have to offer. Can someone get me a glass of water, please? This could take a while here. Isn't that amazing? This company is simply awesome. I'm running out of words. I'm tongue-tied. Let me see some more amazing features they have to offer. Pretty good, eh? Wow, I cannot believe what I have missed all these years. Do they really offer that? How cool is this? Can someone bring me that glass of water, please? So now, Mr. Clearly is beaming with pride. His business is more successful than ever. He has less stress and enjoys life more. So what about you? Contact us today and let us help you with your business. And I finally got my glass of water.
This is a regular guy. He could be your customer, couldn't he? But your problem is this. Look at all the other lovely, shiny things you're competing with on the internet. Whoa, did you see that? So how do you get Mr. Customer's attention? You could shout really loud, or write everything in huge letters. Or you could just come to Envato. Envato is a super creative digital marketing company who specializes in growing your audience. We build gorgeous websites, magical social media pages, and blockbuster explainer videos. People are very impatient online and have very short attention spans. Do you know what the average attention span is? Just 8 seconds. It's like we're turning into goldfish. And to make it harder, 17% of people will leave your page in under 4 seconds. It's like we're turning into goldfish. Wait, did I just say that? Envato makes sure you grab a customer's attention and keep it, helping you to explain quickly and engagingly who you are, what you do, and why the customer should care. We make fun and creative videos that will help increase your sales and increase your Google ranking. What's more, they're easy for people to share across social media. Speaking of social media, we'll give you a presence in all the places you'd expect, and maybe some you don't. Of course, everything is optimized, so whatever device your customers are using, they'll get the same awesome experience. And don't worry, this isn't another thing to add to your workload. Envato will do all the hard work for you. Don't let another customer slip through your fingers. Blow their minds with Envato.